Difference between subprocess.Popen and Os.System. What is the difference between subprocess.Popen and Os.System?
If you check out the subprocess section of the Python docs, you'll notice there is an example of how to replace Os.System with subprocess.Popen. Does the same thing as? The improved code looks more complicated, but it's better because once you know subprocess.Popen, you don't need anything else. Subprocess.Popen replaces several other tools. Os.System is just one of those that were scattered throughout 3 other Python modules. If it helps, think of subprocess.Popen as a very flexible Os.System.
Subprocess.Popen is strict superset of Os.System.
Os.System is equivalent to Unix system command, while subprocess was a helper module created to provide many of the facilities provided by the Popen commands with an easier and controllable interface. Those were designed similar to the Unix Popen command. System executes a command specified in command by calling /bin/shc command and returns after the command has been completed. Whereas the Popen function opens a process by creating a pipe, forking, and invoking the shell. If you are thinking which one to use, then use subprocess definitely because you have all the facilities for execution, plus additional control over the process.
Subprocess is based on Popen too, and as such has a number of advantages. There's a full list in the PEP here, but some are: using pipe in the shell, better new line support, better handling of exceptions,
When running Python on Windows, the Os.System will execute under the curtains_system, while if you're using a non-Windows OS, it'll use system. On contrary, Popen should use create process on Windows and _POSIX subprocess.fork_exec in POSIX-based operating systems. That said, an important piece of advice comes from Os.System docs, which says, the subprocess module provides more powerful facilities for spawning new processes and retrieving their results. Using that module is preferable to using this function. See the replacing older functions with the subprocess module section in the subprocess documentation for some helpful recipes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.